It's like,
I just made sure, yeah, I just went in and I just kind of, and they move. They actually will move. So you just slowly.
a lot of them in there.
Yeah.
You slide it over.
Just a little bit, and they'll move out of the way, and it'll slowly go
Go.
straight. I noticed mine just all. Yep. See how it's moving?
Yeah.
It's going straight.
So far, so good.
Yeah. There you go.
I'm afraid to kill them.
I know, I didn't want to. And then did you see him set my cinder block down on about 400 of them?
I guess
Oh my God.
he's a little more.
He got Western with it. I was like, well, he's done it a bit, you know, he's done it a lot, so
Yeah.
he knows. It's like, he knows how quickly they're going to reproduce. And
Oh, that was easy.
yeah. Isn't that cool how that they just slide down in there?
And do we leave this little slide here, or do we kind
I
of
think
close
you
that?
can kind of close it. Move it over carefully, just
Come on.
slide